Hi, my name is Alex Bruner. I am from FEMA, a close partner with the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, also known as the CDC. This collaborative video provides information on how to help children with disabilities during an emergency. If your child has a disability or medical condition, you can prepare your family for emergencies like a hurricane or other natural disasters by making an emergency kit and a family communication plan. Every family's emergency kit should include enough food and water to last your family for at least 3 to 7 days, a flashlight with backup batteries, and important documents such as prescriptions and Social Security cards. If you have a child with a disability, you may also want to include the following items: medicines, assistive devices, special foods or dietary supplements, extra or special clothing, a written emergency care plan for your child, and any educational plans that your child needs, a list of support networks in your community or nearby, or a special toy that can comfort your child if they are sensitive to sounds, smells, or light. Ask your doctor about anything else that should be included. Talk with your family before an emergency about how you will communicate and find each other if you become separated during the event. Pick a time and a safe place for everyone to meet. Ask your child's teacher about childcare or school emergency preparedness plans. If your child can't remember the plan or cannot communicate, a medical ID or backpack card with phrases or pictures may help. Before an event, tell your family and friends where you are planning to go during the event. Practice your plan before an emergency so everyone knows what to do when an event occurs. Information can change quickly during an emergency. Local authorities will share safety instructions and updates on television, radio, the internet, and social media. This information can help you make the best decisions to keep you and your family safe. Staying calm during and after an emergency will help your family stay calm. For more information about how to prepare for your children before, during, and after a disaster, please visit cdc.gov/disasters.